Welcome to our channel. Traveling to new places is exciting, but it's important to stay alert and protect yourself from common scams. Step 1. Research the most common scams in your destination before you travel. Check online forums and travel blogs for recent reports. Step 2. Keep your valuables secure. Use anti-theft bags and money belts, and never leave belongings unattended. Step 3. Be skeptical of overly friendly strangers who approach you in tourist areas, offering unsolicited help or deals. Step 4. Only use licensed taxis or verified ride-sharing apps. Avoid unmarked vehicles and always confirm the driver's identity. Step 5. Pay attention at ATMs. Check for card skimmers and cover the keypad when entering your PIN. Step 6. Be cautious with street vendors and verify prices before making purchases. Step 7. Never hand over your passport unless absolutely required by law. Step 8. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, walk away and seek help from authorities or your hotel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.